Welcome. In front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and I will show you how you can connect to the Wi-Fi. It's very simple. You have to grab your remote control and go for the settings. And next, when you are here, you have to scroll down with arrows and find the network settings. And next you have to click OK. Then tap on the right arrow and scroll down with arrows to Wi-Fi connection, and then click OK. And now you have to wait a little bit until your TV finds other Wi-Fi networks. Currently in my case it's only one available, but you have to wait, as I said, so be patient, and we'll be back soon if your TV finds other networks. As you can see, here it is. So for example, if you want to pick other Wi-Fi, you have to go here with the upper arrow, then simply scroll down on the list using arrows, and you can, for example, pick this one, so click OK, and then simply you are navigate with this keyboard with the arrows. Just take a look. You have to input your password. Of course, I don't want to show you my password, so I'm going to use this very common combination 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, and after that you can scroll down and click connect. And if you input the correct password, you will be connected to your Wi-Fi network. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.